Right, don't laugh, but I tried to make a video of myself the other day and I looked like I had 2 black eyes. So I went out and I bought this. It's supposed to be concealer, $4.99. Let's see. Don't laugh. What do you mean? Okay. Oh wow. Oh crap. How the I need to get like Actually, it's starting to. I'm not showing you a close-up of what I look like with the 2 black eyes. You can just imagine from this distance. Oh crap it. I kind of look like a panda in reverse now. Well, maybe I just kind of smooth it out a bit. Does that look alright? I can't see even that far. I can't see. I don't know, maybe on video it looks alright. Let's see, let's have a look. Do I look alright? Also, there's kind of this stuff, so hang on. Let's see. If I put this here, does it look any? Because it's not for real life, it's just for video, so it doesn't matter. Yeah, maybe is it okay? I don't know. You have to answer in a comment if I look not very good. Or good. I don't know. Okay.